In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Xero. Whether you're trying to get a closer look at your financial reports or simply prefer larger text for easier reading, adjusting the zoom level in Xero can significantly enhance your user experience. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. Now for the main event, zooming in. Once you're successfully logged in and have landed on your dashboard or any other page within Xero, you might find the text a bit too small or the details not as visible as you'd like. To zoom in, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While holding this key, press the plus key. Each press of the plus key will increase the zoom level, making everything on the screen larger and more visible. If you're on a Mac, you'll use the Command key instead of Control. It's a simple keyboard shortcut, but extremely effective for adjusting the display to meet your needs. You might be wondering, is there a limit? The short answer is, most browsers allow you to zoom in up to 500% of the original size. However, for a comfortable viewing experience on Xero, you might find a zoom level of 110% to 150% more appropriate. Adjusting the zoom is all about personal preference and what works best for you in that moment. For those times when you've zoomed in too much, simply hold the Control or Command key and press the minus key to decrease the zoom level. And if you ever need to reset the zoom back to the default level, pressing Control or Command with Xero will bring you right back to where you started. Before we conclude, a golden tip. The zoom function is not exclusive to Xero. It works across nearly all websites and web applications. This means you can use this handy shortcut in various contexts, whether you're browsing the web, reading articles, or working on other online platforms. That's all there is to it. You now know how to effectively zoom in and out of Xero to better suit your viewing preferences. Remember, working comfortably with your financial data not only helps in reducing eye strain, but can also improve your efficiency and accuracy in navigating through numbers and reports. Never underestimate the power of customizing your viewing experience for optimal performance. And with that, thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful. Whether you're new to Xero or a seasoned user, knowing small tricks like this can make a big difference in your day-to-day interaction with the platform. Until next time, happy zooming!